Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we are looking at the 2022 Ford F-350 Lariat. Coming in this nice blue coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter power-stroke turbodiesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch, rear park sensing, your backup camera. We do get these nice little Decal accents along the vehicle, which adds a nice clean look to the vehicle. You do get a Bedliner with a bed camera. Tailgate step, we got these nice fender flares. We do get deployable gripped running boards as well. That will go up when you close your doors. You got a side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light, and spotlight indicated. And moving to the front real quick, we do get recovery hooks, block heater, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice tan leather interior, plenty of door space in the back, floor mats, carpet interior, flat fold storage system, cup holders and storage, 12 volt heated back seats with USB-C, 110 volt, and rear vents. You, of course, can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and we do get a lovely split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same tan leathering we saw in the back there. Plenty of more door space up front. Memory seat for up to 3 drivers. We got power folding mirrors, spotlights, lights, tailgate, pedal adjusters, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 62,532 kilometers. We get this nice leather-up steering wheel, volume, playback, play forward mode, mute voice phone, cruise control, and toggle-free screen, which does include My View, Trip and Fuel, Truck Info, Towing, Off-Road, and other settings. So remember, we get tons of storage, cup holders, but if you need 2 more, you get 2 more. More storage here with wireless charging and some outlets, and it does close. Got your center console here as well with tons of storage, pretty handy. Trailer backup, trailer brake, rear locking diff, and 4-wheel drive. We got heated and cooled front seats with dual climate up front, 12 volt and 110. We do get some storage above and below on the dash with a B&O sound system, which is pretty handy. We do get this nice powered rear window opener, as well as 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please. Garage door transmitter. We have our engine brake, traction, hazards, hill, lane centering, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle where you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We can have different widgets on the side here as well. So we have our climate here. We do get a heated steering wheel. We got our phone controls, your navigation, pretty handy. You do have your fave app in here, such as messaging, email, zone lighting, Wi-Fi hotspot, all that jazz. Any apps you may download show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And your vehicle settings, such as general, connectivity, Wi-Fi hotspot, and all that fun stuff. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC81631A, and you can head on out of PG Ford or give us a call.